Are you planning a trip to Iceland and wondering what you absolutely cannot miss in the north? Well, then you are in the right place, my friend. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 places in North Iceland, including massive waterfalls and stunning canyons. The north is full of contrast and definitely worth a spot on your itinerary. Hey, I'm Jeannie. I sold everything I owned and moved to Iceland, and I've been exploring every corner of this country for the past 10 years. I've written guidebooks and itineraries that have hundreds of 5-star reviews, and my mission is to help you plan the best trip ever. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list is a place I'm sure you've heard of, and that is Lake Mývatn. This is one of the most popular places in the north for a reason. It's a stark contrast of lush lake and vegetation, a massive lava field with huge formations, and a geothermal area. So this is definitely a must visit for nature lovers. It's got a little bit of everything. The Mývatn nature baths are included in here, Akureyri, the geothermal area, the big lake, all of the pseudo craters, Dimmuborgir. I mean, there is lots and lots to see at this area. You can also hike up Hverfjall, which is an old volcanic dust crater. You could find the hidden cave of Grjótgjá, where the famous scene from the Game of Thrones is filmed. I mean, this area is packed with lots and lots to explore. Next up is Dettifoss, and this has been nicknamed the most powerful waterfall in Europe because of its sheer volume of water. This is a waterfall where you can feel the power. I mean, it is thunderous in nature and a really stunning waterfall. What I like about Dettifoss is that you can visit from either the west or the east side. The west side of the falls is more popular and easier to access because the road to get out there is paved, so it's more accessible year round. There is a nice viewing platform there. There's toilet facilities, a bigger parking lot on that side. The east side is also beautiful, more rugged, more difficult to get to because they don't clear that road year round, but you get different vantage points from either side. And if you're feeling up to it and want a little adventure, you can hike upstream a bit to find its neighbor waterfall, Selfoss, which is equally as impressive. Speaking of planning your Iceland adventure, if you're feeling overwhelmed with research, I've got you covered. I've created detailed travel guides and custom maps to help you navigate Iceland like a pro. Whether you need the best driving routes, hidden gems, or essential travel tips, my guides take the guesswork completely out of planning. Click the link in the description below to grab yours and make your trip stress-free. Now let's get back to our list. Now let's talk about a place that's straight out of an Icelandic saga, Asbyrgi Canyon. The reason I say out of a saga is this place is super unique in that, number one, there are trees, a rare phenomenon in Iceland. This is a horseshoe-shaped canyon that is believed to be formed by the hoofprint of Odin's horse. There's some Icelandic lessons for you. So whether you believe in the sagas or not, this is a really cool place to just spend a bit of time. You can hike around on top of the canyon, or you can walk around. There's different paths below and a magic little pond area that has nice reflections. It's just a really cool contrast of the stark volcanic landscapes of the Mývatn area and then this lush, dense green forest. Next up on the 5 must-see places in North Iceland is Húsavík. This is a gorgeous town known as the whale-watching capital of Iceland and one of the best places in the world to see these whales up close. You can hop on a boat tour with my friends at Gentle Giants, and if you want to get a discount, then make sure to look in the description below. But there's other things to do in Húsavík as well. Wander the streets, check out the charming fishing village and all the cute fishing boats, get some delicious cuisine, and visit the Yaya Ding Dong bar, which was featured in the movie Eurovision with Will Ferrell. And finally, top off your day by a relaxing soak in GOC, one of the best hot spring spas in the country. Last but not least, Akureyri. I would say that most people have this place listed already on their itinerary, and with good reason. Akureyri is known as the capital of the north because it's the second largest town in Iceland. This town has vibrant local culture, great cafes, and even a botanical garden. It's the perfect place to stop, soak in some Icelandic charm before heading out on your next adventure. Don't miss the iconic Akureyri church with stunning views over the fjord. Wander around the streets, check out the shops, get some delicious cuisine, get a coffee, and be on your merry way. And there you have it, the top 5 places to visit in North Iceland. Let me know in the comments below which one that you're most excited to visit, and I'll see you in the next video. But until then, happy planning.